Hello, everyone. It's Matt Frey with Keller Williams, Lee Summit, Missouri. And today's helpful tip is when you're shopping for a house, whether you're a first-time home buyer or most likely it's first-time home buyers, if you have kids under the age of 18, do not bring them. I say this simply. You're trying to make a very analytical, a very smart decision on where you want to live. And I totally understand that sometimes situations, whether it be sole parent, you name it, they just can't do it. And I respect that. But if there is any way for you to do this, the in-person looking at the house, just you and a realtor, just yourself and a trusted advisor, you're going to gain so much more from it. I simply say this because as a father myself, bringing my two kids would be just craziness. They want to be involved. It's new. They see this as like a guest house. They just run around. You need to look at it like you're looking at purchasing a car. You look at details and ask questions and think deeply about it. Kids don't allow that. I'm just saying it. So if you can, even if that means that you get a babysitter and you plan with your realtor to go see 10 houses between that period of time, which you'll be burning the tires off on that car, you're better off. Because those kids, they're going to be like saying, I want that room, I want this room, screaming. There's been instances of them causing damage in houses, which always is a nightmare. And it's not that we don't want kids to be involved in the process. It's that until you have settled on a house that you're ready to put a contract in, or you have a contract on, they really don't need to be involved. I mean, unless you are specifically wanting them to look at, will this be good for them, especially teenagers. I could see that being a case, whether they are doing a specific sports or is this going to help, their input is needed. But especially young children, I would try my hardest. If you're looking for a house and you want to get the best house for your money and have the most knowledge about that house, keeping the people that come with you to a minimum, 2, 3 maybe, and always try to make them adults. Now, again, I say this again, everybody has to do what they have to do, and I love kids. I've even held kids while parents looked around, but you will do so much better if you don't have to have a child running around or a baby screaming, that you could sit there quietly, look at the house in a different kind of, if you're a parent, you understand the difference, and make a really good analytical decision whether this house is for you, whether you want to put a contract in, etc. I appreciate your time. Subscribe below and have a great day.